Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric monophone, and this is Jay's equipment from VA. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. We troubleshooted this unit a little bit, and we actually found the original schematic tucked away inside the base of this telephone. So that's pretty cool. We want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this telephone. And we also want to mention that this telephone is pretty unique. It has an electrical cord on it. To light the dial, it had a luminescent disc, and that luminescent disc is 110 volts. We also know that the illuminated disc that lights up the numbers on the rotary dial faceplate is no longer working. You won't find too many of these telephones with that option. We talked to Jay about the situation, and he wants to go ahead and remove the AC line cord to this telephone. We want to take a look at the hook switch. We want to make sure that all the contacts are clean and working properly. The rotary dial is very sluggish. So we're going to go into the rotary dial and we're going to clean, oil, and adjust the unit and make sure that this telephone is dialing out properly. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool automatic electric monophone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and removing the AC line cord from the telephone. We also want to mention that we have an electronic amplified pickup taped to the base of the telephone at the network so that we can pick up any audio from the receiver when we're checking the telephone out. And we have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now we also want to mention that this telephone does not have a bell. There's no room on the inside of the base of this telephone for a bell. And they also assumed that during that period of time, you most likely had a bell that was already installed at your location, and you could have used a bell box with this telephone. So if you didn't have a bell box at your location, the phone company would install a bell box with this telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, March 14th. The current time, 1:37 p.m. and the temperature, 77 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric monophone rotary dial desk telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Jay and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.